Open first seat. So fifth leg of Motor Race Series 2024. So managan dia Sophia Naparan, Stephen Eveliones, Laila Agoro, Kakay de la Pedra, Kylie de la Cruz, Susie Magarang, Charlotte Gallarde na diha. So magandang bakbakan to sa ladies. Ayan na, gibuhiyan na. Oscar the whole shot. Wow. Magandang. Oy, Susie Magarang. Ayan, Charlotte Gallarde. Wow! Grabe! Charlotte Gallarde versus Susie Magarang. Ayan. Wow, Charlotte Gallarde, Susie, Kakay, Laila, Solinay, Biliones, Sophia. Ayan, Charlotte Gallarde on the lead. Followed by Susie Magarang, Kakay de la Pedra, Laila Aguro, Solinay. Ayan. From Team Honda, got the lead. Charlotte Gallarde, wow. Ayan, Kakay de la Pedra, Susie. Wow. Charlotte Gallarde on the lead. Kakay de la Pedra. Ayan, Laila Aguro, anong nangyari? Susie Magarang. Okay, anong nangyari kay Susie? Ayan, Sophia, Biliones, Kylie. Wow. Ladies open first seat. Ayun, no? Ayan, Charlotte Gallarde. Wow, Charlotte Gallarde on the lead. Ayun, no? Pride of Sagay City, Charlotte Gallarde, followed by Kakay de la Pedra. Ayan. Susie on board, it's Laila Aguro. Ayan, Sophia Naparan, Solinay, Kylie, Stephen Eveliones. Ayun, no? Ayan. Wow. Outside. Ayan. Ayan, Charlotte Gallarde on the lead yapon. On second, it's Kakay de la Pedra. Wow. Third, Susie. Fourth, Laila. Sophia Naparan. Ayan, no? Oy, boto-boto motor. Kylie de la Cruz. Ayan, Stephen Eveliones. Oi. White flag now, white flag, white flag. So waiting for checkered flag, Charlotte Gallarde. Pride of Sagay City, Negros. I think it's Negros Occidental. Ayan, Kakay de la Pedra on second. Wow. Laila Aguro down third. On fourth, it's Susie Magarang. Anong nangyari kay Susie? Ayan, Sophia Naparan, Kylie de la Cruz, Solinay, Stephen Eveliones. Oops. Ayan, waiting for checkered flag. Charlotte Gallarde, Pride of Sagay City. Ayun, no? Ayan, checkered flag, checkered flag. Wow. So, Kakay de la Pedra on second.
Okay, last one.
Ayan.
Last one tayo. Power Enduro Plus.
Third, it's Laila Agoro.
Last one. Power Enduro Plus.
On fourth, it's Susie Magarang. And Sophia Naparan. Kylie De La Cruz and Kaichi Solinay. And then Stephanie Bellones. So thank you for watching, guys.